What's going on, guys? It's your boy Sean Grande. Welcome to What's in the Pot. Today we are making lemon pepper wings, but we're not just making them dry, we're making them wet. It's lemon pepper wings. It's What's in the Pot. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. I'm using 1 pound of wings, so that's between 10 and 15 wings depending on the size. A teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt or any kind of salt you choose. I'm using a teaspoon of this Badia complete seasoning. You can use any kind of all-purpose seasoning, it's really up to you. I'm using also a teaspoon of the Badia lemon pepper seasoning. This is one of my favorite ones that I use. So pick your favorite lemon pepper seasoning, go ahead and use it. And then I'm using the Badia adobo seasoning and some cayenne pepper. And last but not least, the butter. Now the butter is for the wet sauce. So one thing I totally forgot to do as I walked away, I forgot to hit record, and these are the wings and they're completely seasoned. So like I said, about a teaspoon of each of the dry ingredients and added them to the wings, made sure they're coated completely, and then left them in the fridge for about an hour. Our next step is to make the wet sauce. So to make the wet sauce, you're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of butter, a little bit of hot sauce, and I'm adding about maybe 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper. You don't need that much, I just like it super lemon peppery. So you can just go ahead and add about maybe a teaspoon and a half of lemon pepper seasoning. You're just gonna let that butter melt and let this saute in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that is our wet sauce. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and fry those wings. So now we're gonna start frying our wings. All I did with the wings was just coat them in regular flour, nothing else. And we're gonna add them to the pot. I have the pot heating for about maybe 15 minutes on medium high. Then I'm gonna drop it to medium. I'm gonna fry these wings. I'm gonna fry them for about 15 minutes each until they're golden brown. I like my chicken cooked completely. I'm very particular about that. I think that's very much a Caribbean thing. But we wanna make sure the chicken's cooked, no blood, none of that nasty stuff. So we're gonna let these wings fry, and then we're gonna complete the process by adding the wings to our wet sauce. Once our wings are done frying, we're gonna go ahead, and you can see how nice and crispy they are. We're gonna go ahead and add them to the wet sauce. Now just add the wings and let them coat. That's pretty much it. Once we add the wings into the wet sauce, we're just gonna coat them, give it a nice coating of the lemon pepper seasoning. And this is what it means with lemon pepper wet. Generally, if we just fried them and served them, they would just be regular lemon pepper wings, but these are lemon pepper wet. So obviously they're getting the wet sauce on them. So that's it. It's straight up, very simple, very easy to make. You can pretty much make any kind of wings if you want. You fry them and then you make them wet with any kind of seasoning. But these are definitely one of my favorite types of wings. So I'm gonna try something different. I see a lot of videos, people, it's called Mukbang. If I'm wrong, correct me. But let me just try it out, because I know a lot of you want to see what the food tastes like or what it's look like. So here we go. Let me show you right now. There is the chicken wing. There it is. Lemon pepper wet. Now I kind of had the idea for this a few years ago. I was down in Atlanta DJing, and I had lemon pepper wings. So everywhere you go, they got lemon pepper wings. Lemon pepper wings is a shit down there. And then I was in Miami DJing, and I had some lemon pepper wings, and I was like, damn, the lemon pepper wings we get up here in Toronto, it's not the same. So I said, you know what? Let me make some. Never got a chance to make really good ones. And then I was watching season 1 of Atlanta, I think like episode 2. And they went to one of the spots in Atlanta, and they got lemon pepper wings wet. And the box was glowing. So I'm like, you know what? I'm definitely gonna have to go ahead and make myself some. So let me try it out. So, lots of crunch, lots of lemon pepper, the butteriness. And what's really good is from the way I made the chicken, I seasoned it. So you're not just getting lemon pepper wings. You're getting some of that seasoning, some of that cayenne, some of that seasoning salt, that Badia complete seasoning. You get a little bit of that adobo. So there's a little bit of a kick to it. And also I add a little bit of that tapatio hot sauce when I was making the butter, the wet sauce. So definitely something you want to try. And you don't only have to do this with chicken. You can do it with fish. You can do it with ribs if you want to try a different flavor. Essentially, you do the ribs, barbecue them, and then just brush that lemon pepper seasoning on it. I haven't tried it yet, so maybe that's something I'm going to try. But definitely, I did try it with some fish, some fried fish, and it came out amazing. You see there? Perfectly cooked chicken. And when you eat wings, I know some people, they don't eat them. You gotta clean off the bone. You gotta eat all of it. This is definitely weird eating on camera. Let's try a drum. Oh man, this one's at the bottom, so you got a lot of that flavor from the lemon pepper. You can see it shining, that butter, that lemon pepper. Delicious. I think these are the best wings I've ever created. Eat your wings clean, people. Eat them clean. So it's what's in the pot. Tell me if you like this segment, if you like me doing this. It's different. You know what it is. It's your boy Train Shota, Sean Grande. I might have some food in my teeth. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tune us in each and every week. I'm going to try to drop a video every week. Send it to your friends, send it to your family. Like the Facebook page at What's in DEPOT. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter at the same handle. And very soon, I will be dropping, it's kind of, if you have Alexa or Google Home, it's going to be part of the Google Home, Alexa experience, even Siri. It's going to be a short form podcast that you can get on Siri or Google Play Music. If you have Alexa, you can add it as a skill, as a news briefing. And pretty much every day what we're going to be doing is we're going to be dropping a video, or sorry, an audio form of what I would do in a video, but probably a minute, 2 minutes. Could be different food tricks, different food hacks, different things like that. So don't forget to tune in. It's What's in the Pot. I'm your boy Sean Grande, and look out for What's in the Pot. Alexa, Google Home, Siri, anything, any smart device that you have, look out for that skill. I'll be posting on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter where you can download it, where you can get it. So peace. Till next time. This is crazy. It's What's in the Pot. That's how you win.